Welcome to the new RECON ITR version 26.0, available now for update and purchase at SUMURI.com. In this episode of our ongoing tutorial series, we're looking at how to connect RECON ITR to a locally hosted SMB network share as an imaging destination. After launching RECON ITR and authenticating, head to RECON Imager in the left-hand navigation. Click Start to access the Imager subtools. From here, click Network Share. This will show you a list of any previously configured network connections. To add a new connection, click Add Server. You'll need four things: the server's local network IP address, the share name, that's the name of the shared folder or drive on the server, and the username and password for access. Once those are filled in, you have two options. Clicking Add will authenticate and mount the drive for this session only. Clicking Add and Save will store the address and credentials so you can reconnect quickly in the future. Useful if you're working with the same server regularly. Either way, once connected, the network share will be available as a destination drive, ready to select in Disk Imager for a full physical acquisition, or in the Logical Imager for targeted file collection. That's all it takes to image directly to a network destination in RECON ITR version 26.0. Follow us for more tips and tutorials as we continue our series on the new RECON ITR. And if you'd like to see it in action, reach out for a demo or quote at SUMURI.com.